Hello guys, so for this video, we have here another example of differential calculus. I have here a function of x is equal to x over 1 plus x squared. So in this case, you can use quotient rule or product rule. Okay, but if you want to use product rule, kailangan you have to rewrite it this way. X times 1 plus x squared raised to negative 1. So if you want to do product rule, itong denominator, ilalagay natin siya sa numerator. But magiging negative yung exponent. Now, let's recall what is the formula for quotient rule. So sa quotient rule, okay, let me just put a line there. Sa quotient rule, that's v, okay, times the derivative of your u, minus your u times the derivative of your v over v squared. So you have to identify what is your u and your v. Your u is your numerator, your v is your denominator. So same here, this is your u, this is your v. Now if you want to use the product rule, the formula is u dv, or u times the derivative of your v plus v times the derivative of your u. So whichever ang gagamitin ninyo is okay, and it will still give you the same answer. But in this case, or in this video, I will use quotient rule, okay? Magko-quotient rule tayo. This is the product rule, okay? So, again, I will use quotient rule. So, we have v. V is kung ano yung nasa denominator mo. So, you copy lang that. 1 plus x squared times the derivative of your u. Your u is your numerator, which is your x. Okay, minus your u, okay, copy u, tapos the derivative of your v, which is the one that is in your denominator. Okay, and then all over v squared. Your v is your denominator. Okay, v squared. Now, let's take the derivative. Yung mga hindi mo kukuhanan ng derivative, you just have to copy that, like 1 plus itong x squared. Okay, copy lang natin. So, the derivative of your x, derivative of x is 1. So, lagay lang natin dyan 1. And then, copy mo si x. Okay, and take the derivative of 1 plus x squared. Now, the derivative of any constant is 0. And the derivative of x squared is 2x. So, lalagay natin siya dito. 2x. And then, all over, kung ano yung denominator natin, which is 1 plus x squared raised to 2. Now, you can simplify this one. Pwede mo naman yung i-multiply. And that one, x times 2x is equal to 2x squared. So, let's rewrite this. This is now 1 plus x squared minus 2x squared. Ayan. And then, so over 1 plus x squared raised to 2. As you can see, we have here x squared. We also have x squared. So we can simplify that further. So that 1x squared minus 2x squared. This one, this portion here. Okay. So 1x squared minus 2x squared is actually equal to negative x squared. Okay, if your teacher wants you to simplify further, then you can further simplify your final answer. So it's x squared minus 2x squared is negative x squared. So basically, your final answer, now that we rewrite it, is actually equal to this one. Let me write it here. Final answer is 1 minus x squared all over 1 plus x squared raised to 2. Okay, so this is now your f prime of x.